Today we'll talk about how can you enable mentions notifications on your eToro app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just click here on settings. When you just click here on settings, it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on notifications, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. You click here on social activity, just click on it here. Then you come here to mentions, click in this sign. Like you see, this color show for us as many mentions notifications enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.